Okay, and what we're going to do is, guys, do you want me to teach this class or not? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and finish up chapter 4 slides. We still had a couple going through the Social Security discussion. It's a little bit convoluted, this Social Security. I sometimes think that they make it so complicated because no old person can figure out what they're doing. And so, they don't know how they're being taxed. And this almost guarantees that someone in their 60s would have to go get their taxes done if they're collecting Social Security. So we'll finish that up. And then we'll go through the quiz for Chapter 4. I think that should go pretty quickly. And then hopefully most of you had a chance at this point to look at Canvas this morning, B courses this morning, and see that I posted a quick little practice quiz, about 8 questions there, and then a sort of short free 8 multiple choice questions and a short free response. That's sort of how the midterm will go on Tuesday. Okay. Oh, and you all know to bring the Scantrons on Tuesday. Bring the Scantrons. Okay. You want me to show you the Scantron? It's the skinny green. I call it the skinny green Scantron. I don't know if that's the official title for it or not. It is this one. Okay, so you need to pick this one up, skinny green Scantron. Okay, for the multiple choice questions. Okay, they can't really see it on the screen, but it's I guess it's Scantron form number 882-E. Okay, just in case someone's listening and doesn't know what that form is. Abby, can you see me after too? I sent that form in. Oh, did you? Yep. They set it up? Thank you. Good. I'm glad when things work out. Okay, so you're all set. Yep. Okay, all right, perfect. And so we'll do that, and then we'll go through the practice exam, and that should take us up to what we got about till 12:30. Okay. Okay, good. So let's go ahead. Oh, and Richard, I found out that I do have a mailbox somewhere. So, oh, did you get it? Oh, okay. So you don't need it from me? You don't need it from me then? The form? Oh, you did? Oh, okay, that's fine. Good. Did I have anything? I didn't have any money in there, did I? Oh, they're still sitting there. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm learning slowly, but I'll eventually get there. Now I know that I have a mailbox. Okay. Okay, good. So you got them then. So that's another thing I can check off. Good. Okay, so let's just go ahead and kick in to the discussion here. Social Security benefits. I think you know to collect Social Security, you've got to be of a certain age, and it really depends on some different factors. And usually it's, I think, 65 is the age, or 62. For government employees, it's 56 when you retire, which is kind of nice. But I have a feeling that's one of the things that Congress, one of the benefits that Congress will take away to try to save the budget is take away the early Social Security collection for federal employees. But anyway, so we're talking